Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Ajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Dear friends, today we are going to discuss a new topic or new series, we can just specify. Yeah, it is all about machine learning specialist. Demand for artificial intelligence and machine learning specialist is expected to grow by 40%. And as the usage of artificial intelligence and machine learning drives there is continued industry transformation. So, and few actually IT professionals consider that is as like ChatGPT or Gemini, a thread that could automate data gathering, analysis, and coding tasks. But actually, dear friends, ChatGPT will not replace senior professionals. Just like the calculator did make everyone a mathematicians. No, getting into machine learning specialist is a good of a time as ever. So sharpen your brain cells and prepare for continuous and rewarding learning. So because this discipline will pave the way for many crucial upcoming technology innovations. So kindly just, yeah, dear friends, this exact series we are just going to start. It is all about machine learning specialist. And yeah, from today onwards, the sessions is going to start, and each and every day you're just going to receive a video onto that. So kindly subscribe the channel if not, and make a likes whenever you just get any doubts, you can just comment it below. And yeah, hopefully let's just start new learning, and happy learning, dear friends.